As a child, the opening of every window and door was a telltale sign that autumn was surely upon us. The same is true for our home today. That's why I get so excited when the morning and evening temperatures have dropped just enough to start letting the greatly anticipated cool breeze flow through the house. Another favorite way our family likes to usher in the new season's arrival is by spending as much time as humanly possible baking inside of our kitchen. 'Tis why that is one of the first places I like to decorate when it comes to fall. I still remember about 6 years ago drawing out the plans for this kitchen. I had already began amassing a collection of earthenware that would soon rest on its open shelves. I imagined our family gathering there in the holidays, hosting our friends, and creating long-lasting traditions. Very gratefully, all these have come to fruition, including the tradition of decorating for autumn. It's at this point I like to create a mood board of sorts. I do this before every project. I normally go around the house, or in this case the kitchen, and collect items that really capture the feeling I'm trying to create. So without even noticing it, I've kind of been taking a liking to the folksier side of things. As always, I'm adding pieces from autumn's past, but I'm also using pieces I collected throughout this year as well. And once again, if you've seen any of my videos, you know the drill. Start with what takes up space the most visually and move my way through the rest. Truly, I don't know why I care so much about this part of the process, as more than likely everything will get moved by the time I'm finished, but I guess you've got to start somewhere. So it's about this time in the process that I really just like to lose myself in it. I'm either immersing myself knee deep in a spooky tale, filling the airwaves with some autumn cafe music, or if I happen to be extra lucky, listening to the cool breeze flow through the windows. And if I'm being honest, I'm probably thinking about what I'm going to include in my next videos. I've got 1,000,001 ideas that I like to share. Problem is, there's only a short time to do so. While I'm on that topic, I wanted to see if there's anything that you'd like to see. I will say I'm going to be tackling quite a few DIY projects concerning the autumn months, as well as furniture flips and room renovations. But if y'all let me know in the comments section what you think or any ideas you may have, I'd really love that. Going back to what we're doing right now, I have just finished up adding my foundation layer of just all the creams and not so autumnal things. After that layer has been put down, the real fun begins.